Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce you a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning products. I'm here today with Christine, old friend, tour guide at the distillery. Got to come see her do a tour. She's almost as good as I am, and good drinking buddy. My name's Robbie. We're going to make a special kind of winter holiday dessert cocktail for you today. Christine, what are we doing?
Today we are making the Horchata Colada.
It's going to be awesome.
So good.
So for this Horchata Colada, the first step is to prep your drinkware. We're using martini glasses today, and we're going to prep that by kind of like a margarita style. Instead of margarita with salt, we're going to use coconut rum and graham crackers. So Christine, if you... So that's the first step to prepping the glass. Once she has that graham cracker on there, I'm going to decorate the inside of this glass. And I'm going to do that with some caramel. Let's see. Oh, try not to use too much.
That was pretty.
That's cool. That swirl actually works.
Yeah, that one was good.
Yeah, here, I'll give you that one. The pretty one.
Sweet things.
All right, so we're using coconut rum for this drink. Christine, if you don't mind putting coconut rum in our shaker here, we're going to do 4 ounces of our coconut Carolina rum. This stuff goes good all year round. Things like iced coffee, hot chocolate by itself. It's what Christine uses to get her day going in the morning.
Little hot chocolate, yeah, did you say that already?
Oh, hot chocolate's always really good.
So good.
We've got 4 ounces in here.
Togetherness.
All right, so we got the coconut Carolina rum in the drink. Next up is going to be horchata. Now, I Googled like a million ways you can make horchata at home, but one of our favorite local restaurants, Taxco in Belmont, makes excellent horchata, and Caroline will vouch for it because she can't go there without eating it. Drinking it. Sorry, drink
You
that
drink
stuff.
that, don't eat it.
You never know.
I mean, you could chew the ice.
Anyway, rather than us make the horchata, we went out and got it from them. So we're doing 6 ounces of horchata. Am I saying that right?
Horchata.
So that's most of the drink there. We're also going to use a little cream of coconut. This is just to give it some more coconut. Even
That's
though
good.
our coconut rum is full of real coconut. I'd say we're doing probably almost half an ounce of cream of coconut per drink. So not a lot, just enough. And then the final special part of this is Jaquan's homemade Queen Charlotte maraschino cherry mix. It is phenomenal. So Jaquan Bowser, excellent mixologist, made this for us a while back. And yeah, just go ahead and dump that in there. We're doing 1 ounce, so it would be a ½ ounce per drink. All right, we got all the ingredients mixed together. So the last step is to shake this up. Oh, it's on my face. Too much ice. Too much ice. Okay, we've mixed that up. We're wearing a lot of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna strain this into our glass, and we're done.
Oh, not yet.
I mean, we're pretty much there.
Everywhere.
Look
That's
at
a
that.
fun color.
All right, now that we've got our what is it? Pina colada, horchata?
Horchata Colada.
Horchata colada mixed up and all over the distillery. I'll go get a mop once we close this video.
It's gonna be so sticky.
Yeah, I'll tweak the ingredients so that they fit into your shaker. But yeah, top that thing with some whipped cream, Christine. Looking good. And a cherry.
Yeah.
And
Oh, it's sinky. Oh, bye, cherry.
yeah, that's fine.
It's still good.
That's our drink. Super excited to try this. I'm not gonna lie, I tried it earlier. It's pretty awesome. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. The description, the link, and the recipe to how to make this drink is in the description below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and come out for a tour sometime, buy some of the product. You can also find our products in your local liquor store. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Cheers. What's this thing even called again?
Where am I?
What's happening? Who's the president? Oh, nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
It's because you're old. Man, I love some whipped cream.
Well, if you got to work, I'll just have it. So I'll be like, all right, Christine, if you don't mind, dip that thing in there and get that thing on the stuff. Really necessary.
I like
Whipped cream and sour cream.
What's wrong with you?
I said it, I'll say it again.
Don't say that again. Don't you talk shit about sour cream in front of me.
We've got a really special holiday cocktail for you today. Today's drink, oh hell, we didn't think of a name. Pina colada, horchata colada.
Horchata Colada.
That's it.
Yes.
All right.
Horchata Colada. Horchata Colada. Or you put it on top of your enchiladas while you're drinking your horchata. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Dog?
No, you're speaking a different language, literally right now.
You gotta say it right. You gotta say horchata.
Oh, I can't do that.
Can you say horchata?
No, I can't.
Can I say horchata?
You can't say horchata.
I'm gonna
Please,
say
that's
it.
your job.
For sure. What is that you're putting in there? Horchata?
Horchata? What's
On the
that?
West
That's
Coast,
how
we
you
say
say it in Gaston County.
horchata. How do you say it in Gaston? Horchata. For the rest of us, horchata.